Welcome back to another great video, and today we're going to talk about Snake Coin, symbol GSK, currently sitting at 0.0003152 as its price. This is another one of these NFT based tokens, and we're going to see today if it actually has any teeth to it, for real. Current market cap sitting at $226,712, with the coin supply sitting roughly at 720,860,869. This coin has been going down lately. And I find this to be kind of strange, and you're going to see why here in a minute. If we look at it over 3 months, we can see it's been as high as 0.0008. Let's just look at all of it. Let's look at it. It looks like it pretty much launched back here. Let's see where we were at the beginning of the year. Now, I'm going to say this right off the bat before we even get started. I'm not big on snakes, okay? But matter of fact, I hate snakes. But the issue is that I'm often talking about projects that actually are mature in their development cycle, as opposed to folks just making up a coin and throwing them out there, these meme coins and whatnot. You know, what are you going to use the blockchain for? Or do you have a viable project where you're actually going to use the blockchain to do something? And I think today we're going to find out that Snake Coin might just be a little bit further developed than a lot of other coins out there that we've looked at, as far as how they're using the blockchain to advance the game that they're trying to develop. Let's go ahead and take a look. You go over here to galaxysnake.com, and what you find here is you have a nice little website here with gameplay, Snake Coin, pre-sales, token roadmap. They have all the usual stuff. Right off the bat, I can tell you, also they have a white paper over here, but right off the bat, the thing that I like is the fact that they have a roadmap. Okay, and when you start reading here, it says, do not depend on anyone in this world because even your own shadow leaves you in the dark. Okay, they got some little funny stuff. Staking, they're showing you where you can buy it on Certic, BSC Scan, and Pancake Swap. But here's what really got me. It says right here, play how you want, with whom you want. Story mode, farm mode, player versus player mode, scholarship mode, and bet mode. So they pretty much, sounds to me like they actually have the game actually developed. This is not an alpha. This is not a we're going to do this. This is they have already done it. This is a big thumbs up coming from myself. The project appears to me to be much more mature than a lot of the dog meme coin, projects out here. Take a look at some of these NFTs. This is a NFT based game. So here they are with their snakes. They got a whole bunch of them here, and they're showing you a game element, so you know that they're serious. Okay. Take a look at this. They got eggs here. They've got incubators in the game. It looks like the epic incubator. So we're starting to get a picture of the fact that this is real. Here they are saying they got 1 million tokens. I guess a lot of those have already been taken right off the top. And here they are talking about their tokenomics. Liquidity wallet at 20%, dev wallet 15%, marketing wallet 13%, and economy wallet will have 0 tokens at the start of the project and will add 3% transaction fee. So this is not a joke. It's real. Uh, Look at this, tokens and NFT characteristics. Binance Smart Chain. It's a utility coin. You collect NFTs. You got incubators, eggs, and much more. So not that I'm going to get into the actual game itself. I'm trying to make an evaluation as far as the maturity of this project, so that we can start talking about price predictions. So here's the roadmap. Let's take a look at that closely here. Strategy and project plan. November 21, white paper and roadmap. November 2021, they did their social media marketing, if you will, Telegram, TikTok, Reddit, Facebook, and so on. And they continue their marketing in 2022, and they've got their E&E going on. So this looks to me like they really have a plan. You know, here they are launching with their 5% on the pre-sales, and the beta launch. Look at this, folks. Beta launch is in March of 2022. Remember, I said at the very beginning, this is not an alpha. They have too much information here for this to be a we're going to do something, which is actually before an alpha. It sounds like they already have done something, and they're getting ready to launch in March. Official launch, it says ABR. I think they meant April here. Got a little misspelling here. And it says an external bets. And then June, launch of story mode, launch of scholarship mode, roadmap update. And it says read our documents. Here's your white paper. Here's the white paper in Spanish. And here it is talking about the private sale, token claim, private sale, and pre-sale, pink sale. And of course, they've got a couple of cute little avatars for the moderators and the developers and their team. Really well done, folks. This is really, really well done. You can't look at this, and we already don't miss out on connect with us, MIT Software, Unity, PooCoin. They're showing you that they're serious. Okay, they're showing you that they're not a joke coin. And I'm going to say this. So I'm going to go back to the beginning of this particular video, and I want to talk about what we see, this downtrend that we see. It absolutely, beyond a shadow of a doubt, does not make any sense whatsoever. Okay, they've got all the pieces. It's an NFT-based game where you're going to have your snake or snakes, and you're going to be able to do something with it, and we're going to have a beta release of this thing in March. They've got all the pieces. They've got what Dogecoin is already trying to develop for themselves. They're promising something. These folks have got it. So I don't understand why the price of this token is going down. And I'm going to go out on a limb, and I'm going to say this. I think that for the people out there who don't have an aversion to snakes, this thing could easily go way beyond where its high point is. It's sitting at 0.0008. I'm going to go ahead and give this thing a chance to go to half of a penny. I think this thing could go to half of a penny. I'm going to go ahead and put that as my price prediction. I think it could actually this thing could actually go, to a penny, but I'm going to just go ahead and say half a penny, especially when we start looking at March through June time frame. This is going to be a big deal. How do you get around the fact that they have the wares? They actually have the real application, real NFTs, really nice graphics. It reminds me so much of CryptoKitties. It's not funny. CryptoKitties with snakes. Okay, now, I guess they think they're cute snakes. We'll just have to keep an eye on this one. If you've enjoyed this video, please drop a like, subscribe. I'd love to see your comments on this one. Tell me if you think snake NFTs have any place in this realm of blockchain technology and exploring reinventing games. Do you think that this could be successful, or do you think that this thing is going to just blunder and just explode, even though they appear to have all the pieces? White paper, roadmap, a plan, a game, and all. Love to see your comments. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one.